Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down the Apple TV and working on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use a thin pry tool to lift the battery cover and remove the battery, then unscrew the visible screws. That prevents shorting. Once done, gently separate the case halves with fingertip pressure while watching for a small ribbon cable connecting the top touchboard. Make sure to document screw positions and take a photo of the internals before removing any components, so reassembly is straightforward. You'll now inspect the power button assembly. Lift the touchboard and examine the tactile switch, ribbon cable, and nearby solder joints. If you see corrosion or dirt, clean the contact pads and switch surface with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free swab. Allow full evaporation. If the tactile switch is mechanically worn, desolder it carefully with temperature control. Replace with a matching low-profile switch, and reflow new solder to ensure solid connections. Once replaced, reattach the ribbon and test continuity. You'll reassemble by aligning the ribbon and plastic snaps, then tightening screws evenly to avoid warping the case. Reinstall the battery, power on Apple TV, and use the hold-to-pair button sequence to repair the remote if it doesn't respond. Make sure the button actuates crisply. If not, reopen and check solder joints and switch seating. If problems persist, try a fresh battery, perform a remote reset, and verify with a multimeter that the switch closes when pressed. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals the remaining issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.